Question number 2. A hiker shouts towards a vertical cliff 465 meters away. There is a hiker. He is 465 meters away from the cliff. 465 meters away. And he is shouting. So the sound wave travels and hits the cliff and it reverses. So the total length or the distance covered by the sound wave is to and fro, towards the cliff and away from the cliff 2 times. So 465 to the right and 465 to the left. So the total distance covered by a sound wave is 930 meters. 930 meters is the total distance covered by the sound. And the time the echo is heard 2.75 seconds later. He hears the sound 2.75 seconds later. So the time travel to and fro, to the right and to the left, 2.75 seconds. So what are we going to find? Speed. So the formula is 2 times distance divided by time. So 2 times distance already we found, that is here 930. 930 divided by 2.75. Here the common mistake students will do, that they will write distance by time 465 divided by 2.75 seconds. So this is wrong, because this time taken is for the sound to go to the right till the cliff and again back to the hiker. So the total time is for the total distance that the sound wave is traveled, that is 930 meters. Okay, if you divide this, 338 meters per second. This is the speed of sound in the air. This is A part and we are doing the B. The wavelength of the sound is 0.750 meter. So lambda is given 0.750 meter. What is its frequency? So it sounds like the wave equation V is equal to F lambda. And make a triangle. V is equal to F lambda. And this is a frequency here. If you cover this frequency, you can see speed divided by lambda. So the formula is speed divided by lambda. Okay, what is the speed? Just now we found it, 338. And the lambda is the wavelength given, 0.750. So what is the answer? The answer is 450 hertz. The wavelength of the, what is its frequency? We are finding the frequency. Yes, hertz. The unit is the unit of frequency is hertz. Now we have to find C. What is the period of the wave? Period formula T is equal to 1 over frequency. 1 divided by the frequency, just now we found 450 hertz. 1 over 450. 2.2 times 10 to the power minus 3 seconds. Seconds is the unit of time period.